Have you ever gone to bed tired, but somehow still can't sleep? You might think it's stress. You might think it's bad luck, but the truth is, some of your night habits are quietly ruining your sleep. The first one: scrolling on your phone in bed. That bright screen tells your brain it's still daytime. So even when your body is exhausted, your brain refuses to switch off. Try stopping screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Second habit: overthinking. Your body is lying down, but your mind is running a marathon. Tomorrow's worries. Yesterday's mistakes. Random thoughts. Instead of fighting them, write them down. A simple notebook tells your brain, "We'll deal with this tomorrow." Third habit: late night caffeine. That evening coffee or cola feels harmless. But caffeine can stay in your system for up to 8 hours. It's best to switch to tea or water at night. Another silent sleep killer: irregular bedtimes. Going to bed too late tonight makes it hard for your body to rest. Some nights you sleep early, some nights you don't. This inconsistency confuses your body clock. Even your wake-up time matters. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Even on weekends, your body will start expecting rest at the right time, and your sleep will improve naturally. And finally, bright lights. Strong lights at night confuse your body clock. Dim your lights an hour before bed and let your body prepare for rest. Great sleep isn't luck, it's routine. Your best sleep might just be one habit away. Fix your nights, and your mornings will fix themselves. Start small tonight, your future self will thank you. Sleep well.